Renting a studio, hiring professional models, and shooting 10 different angles for a single product can easily eat up a $5,000 marketing budget. But what if you could generate hyper-realistic commercial-grade model shots from every shot angle in just seconds? Hey guys, Vivi here from Vidoly. Today, I'm super excited to show you our game-changing tool, the Product Marketing Image Generator. It's the ultimate shortcut for e-commerce brands and marketers. Once you're on the page, you'll find a massive library of ready-to-use style templates. Whether you sell cosmetics, high-end fashion, or luxury watches, Vidoly has pre-configured scene angles for you, from front view, shoulder view, to collar, sleeve, and wrist detail shots. Using it couldn't be easier. You don't even need to write complex prompt words. Simply pick the template angle you need, upload your raw product image, and hit generate. The AI automatically matches natural studio lighting, skin texture, and model poses for you. Now, let's take a look at some of the incredible commercial photos generated right here on our platform. Look at these details. The fabric textures are crisp, the model interactions look 100% natural, and your product remains the star of the shot. You get a complete multi-angle campaign deck ready for Amazon, Shopify, or Instagram ads in one go. Stop spending thousands on traditional photoshoots. Head over to Vidoly AI right now, try the Product Marketing Image Generator for free, and make your product listings look like a luxury brand today. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.